Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to unbox the Secret Theater Club. It's still the 6+1 configuration. Oh, the first one is the cover figure, Timid Lion. Dimoo became a little lion with a brave exterior and a timid heart. It's so cute when the little tail wags. The scarf and patchwork vest can be put on and taken off. They get cuter every time I look at them. There is a message on the back. The second one is our Softie Sheep. What a sweet little lamb. It is that kind of curly hair. The feel is very good. A soft and cute little sheep with a smiling face. Granny Wolf. Is the big bad wolf so cute? Then I won't allow any hunter to harm it. The big red velvet bow tie collar is very fairy tale-like. Gray white black gradient flock. The tail also has a fluffy feeling. Who knew the big bad wolf could be shy? Cherry Hoglet. The little hedgehog's eyes seem to be shining at you. The cloud baby is a three-dimensional little hedgehog shape. Brought 2 red berries as a gift. Freckles on its face, it looks so confused. It's really cute. Maze Bunny. This collar is made of heart-shaped lace. There is embroidery of playing cards on the clothes. Its accessories are really exquisite. Ears have a skeleton that can be molded freely. Chubby Penguin. So round and chubby. What is the eye looking at when it glances to the side? The cloud baby on its head turned into a little penguin. It's so cute to wear a sailor uniform. That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.